Installing a front drive tray. Attention! When you are removing or installing the front drive tray, avoid damaging the connectors on the interposer card. Align the front drive tray with the 2 guide pins on the chassis and then insert the front end of the front drive tray at an angle into the chassis. Lower the rear end of the front drive tray into the chassis. Slide the front drive tray towards the front of the server until the 7 guide pins on the chassis are locked in place. Tighten the 2 thumb screws to secure the front drive tray to the chassis. Depending on the configuration, reinstall the CX7 assembly or the SXM PCIe switch card. Depending on the configuration, reconnect the power and signal cables to the 2.5-inch drive backplane or the E3.S drive backplane. Reconnect the front I/O module cables to the system board assembly. Reconnect the front operator panel cable to the system board assembly. Reinstall the fan cage. Reinstall the fans. Install the top cover.